In this video, I'll show you how to make collage in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project. Import all the videos or photos you want to use in your collage, then drag your main background clip or image onto the timeline. A collage means placing more than one video or photo on the screen at the same time. You can use this for comparison videos, reaction edits, before and after clips, photo layouts, tutorials, travel recaps, or social media posts. To add more media to the same screen, drag another video or photo from the media panel onto a track above your first clip. In CapCut PC, layers that are higher in the timeline appear on top of the layers below them. Now click the top clip in the timeline. In the preview window, you should see the selected clip with handles around it. Drag the corners to resize it, then move it to the position you want. For example, you can place it on the left side, right side, top corner, or center of the screen. Repeat the same process with the rest of your photos or videos. Drag each one to a higher timeline track, resize it in the preview window, and arrange it into your collage layout. If you want a clean split-screen collage, place two clips side by side. Resize the first clip and move it to the left, then resize the second clip and move it to the right. Make sure both clips are similar in size so the layout looks balanced. For a 4-photo collage, place each image in a different corner of the screen. Resize every image until they fit neatly together, then adjust the spacing between them. If you want the collage to have a background, add a color background, blurred video, or image on the bottom track. Then place all collage clips above it. This helps fill empty spaces and makes the design look more polished. You can also use masks to shape your collage. Select a clip, go to the right editing panel, and look for mask. Choose a rectangle, circle, or other mask shape, then adjust it to crop the clip into the style you want. If you want your collage to look more dynamic, add animation to each layer. Select a clip, open animation, and choose an in animation, out animation, or loop animation. Before exporting, play the full project from the beginning. Make sure every layer starts and ends at the right time, the collage is balanced, and no important part is cut off. Once everything looks good, click Export in the top right corner. Choose your resolution, frame rate, and file settings, then export the finished collage video to your computer. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.